little monkey. You will have the honor of dying in combat with Fat Cobra!
Oh, Fat Cobra. I know so many hitmen who have died trying to kill him. Anyway, don't let the name fool you. This guy's quick as lightning. And speaking of lightning, he shoots it from his feet. Yeah, he's got like 35 illegitimate children. Bit of a player, you could say. Most of his kids, though, he actually killed in combat, which I guess made him resign to a life down here. Though, anyway, he's really got nothing to lose. You know what? I can tell this isn't helping, so just be fast. All right, go get him. Go get him. All right, you got this, buddy. Try to punch him in his giant balls or something. I don't know. Punch with your whole body. Oh, God, we are so screwed.
Come here.
Oh, no. Don't do that. Now you're just pissing him off.
What's wrong? You're not having fun? Come back, little monkey!
Hey, use the pipe! The one you're, like, hanging on to, you dipshit! It's our only chance! Yank down the pipe and give that fatty a shower!